hot weather when you go out. Cool with temperature. The freshness of reality makes you feel good again.
Spicy.
Spicy when eating spicy food. Teh pucuk is solution. Refresh your days with a bottle of boot tea. The best tasty of tea is in the boots.